What's up guys, this is Rhett at KST Kustoms. Just want to go over something real quick. We've had a lot of people reach out about clearing their codes. A lot of times when install is done, the bike just naturally throws a code and it's just a simple process of clearing it out to get it go away. Not necessarily anything wrong. But if you do go to clear the codes out and it won't go away, then chances are there is something wrong. But just want to go over what that process looks like. It's pretty simple. It's kind of hard to explain over the telephone, so just wanted you to see firsthand what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna hold down our odometer button. As we're doing that, we're gonna turn the switch. You'll notice all the gauges go to the right and they'll come back to the left. You can release that odometer button and you'll notice that it says diag or diagnostic. All right, you're gonna tap the odometer button one time. You'll see ECM. If it says no, there is no code on it. If it says yes, we're gonna hold the odometer button down. It'll give the code, hold it down again until it says clear, and then release it. Tap the odometer button. Go to the next one, it says BCM. If it says no, you have nothing. If it says yes, you're gonna hold it down until it gives the code, hold it down again until it says clear. Next one's Speedo, same process. ABS, same process. Radio, same process. And then you're back to ECM. You just keep doing that until any of them that you have a Y on or a yes, they're cleared out. If something's not clearing out, then there could be a problem. Just look up what that code is and maybe you can troubleshoot it yourself. It could be a loose wire, could be an issue with a throttle, could be a number of things. But just cycle through them till they all clear out. 99% of the time there's no issue, it just needs to be cleared.